Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh no!
I plan on taking the kayak and like I'm just gonna put it in, you know, the garage of like the Airbnb.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh no! That's a good one. He jumped over the line, bro. But that's a better one.
That's a better one, yeah.
Dude, he flipped. Oh, that's a better one, Dwayne. This is the third one I caught under here, bro.
Nice.
Go flip under here, bro. I don't mind sharing.
I'm gonna hit the other side just so we don't get tangled up.
I'll move location. Let me just get this fish in the water real quick. That's a good fish. I'm not gonna measure anything that I know isn't my PB right now.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's not like a tournament.
I haven't touched this board.
Look at that. That's not bad.
That's a fat one.
That's a good 15, 16.
Yeah, for sure, probably.
His lips are red. Look at that.
Is the tail red at all or no?
Not
really.
No, but he does have his little belly protruding a little bit.